Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So I don't know why I haven't done this video yet. It just kind of hit me. I didn't even have the hiccups, but there was a way I learned like 30 years ago to get rid of hiccups super fast. And it's not a paper bag, it's not a plastic bag, anything that's dangerous. It's simply a glass of water and a spoon. And this is gonna look crazy. Now, coming from me, most stuff looks kind of out there, but God's honest truth, the universe honest truth. This will clear your hiccups at light speed. And basically, you just take a glass of water, you drop a spoon in the water, and you have the front part of the spoon facing there, and you just put it up to your mouth. And as you're drinking the water, just make sure the spoon is on your third eye. Drink the glass of water. Your hiccups are gone like that. Give it a shot. Don't try it, just do it. And, report back how things are. Have a great day, folks.